Hello students, welcome to our next session of LPP problem. We have solved some graphical problem. Now this one is the last type of problem of graphical. So this case is infeasible solution. Infeasible solution, that means there may be a condition that arises when there is no solution of an LP problem that satisfy all the constraints. That means all the constraints cannot be satisfied. That's why we cannot get the feasible reason. It means that no feasible solution or reason exists within a situation that might occur. That means the problem was formulated with some conflicting constraints. Conflicting, that means in the first equation there is a less than sign, and in the second equation there is a greater than sign. So it's itself a conflicting situation. So what we can do now? First, find out the values for this. As we know, we assign it a, this as one and second equation. So firstly we have to find out the points for this. So if we take x1 as 0, what will be the x2? X2 would be 18 by 3. That means 6. We get x2 as 6. If we assume that x2 is 0, now the x1 would be 9. Similarly, for the second equation, x2 10, x1 is also 10. So plot it in a graph. x1 and x2, you can take it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, scaling of in gap of 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that must be 10. Now for the first 9 and 6, 9 at x1 and 6 at x2, so 9 must be here, and for this 6. So match these 2 points. Next is 10 and 10. Match these 2 points also. Ten and 10. Now we have to find out the feasible reason. So for this, if we assume x1 and x2 as 0 0 for equation number 1, so 0 and 0 is less than 18. 0 is less than 18. Yes, it's true. So the arrow would be inside for these two, 9 and 6. Okay, like this. For the next equation, 0 0 is greater than 10. No, it's false. So arrow must be outside of the origin point. So students, like in this, we get the 2 points, whereas the first equation points are inside the origin, whereas the equation number 2 points are outside the origin. So we cannot get the common area, or we can say the feasible reason. So there is no feasible point, as the conditions are the, or we can say the constraints are the conflicting in nature. So we cannot get the feasible reason, and if we cannot get the feasible reason, we cannot get the feasible solution. So this is a problem of infeasible solution. So what you can write it here, that both the constraints are not satisfied or they are conflicting in nature,